Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kunin ang first 5 terms. Okay, and now let's proceed to the number 1 example. Number 1, the given rule is a sub n equals n plus 5. Okay, and our objective is to write the first 5 terms of the sequence described by the rule. Okay, so we have a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, meaning okay, dyan natin ilalagay ang 5 terms na makukuha natin. To find the first term, isa-substitute natin ang 1. Okay, so a sub 1 equals n plus 5. Papalitan natin ng 1 yung n. Okay, so it becomes a sub 1 equals 1 plus 5. Then 1 plus 5 equals 6. So a sub 1 equals 6. Therefore, our first term is 6. Okay, next to find the second term, which is a sub 2, we substitute 2 doon sa n. So, a sub 2 equals n plus 5. So, given the rule, and then substitute 2 doon sa n. And then, a sub 2 equals 2 plus 5. And then, 2 plus 5 equals 7. So, a sub 2 equals 7, and that is our second term, 7. And next, to find the third term, isa-substitute natin ang 3 doon sa n. So, we have now a sub 3 equals n plus 5. And magiging 3. So, a sub 3 equals 3 plus 5. And 3 plus 5 equals 8. So, we have now a sub 3 equals 8. So, 8 now is our third term. Okay, next, to find the fourth term or a sub 4. So, a sub 4, then we substitute 4. So, a sub 4 equals n plus 5, and then change n with 4. So, a sub 4 equals 4 plus 5, and 4 plus 5 equals 9. Therefore, a sub 4 equals 9. And 9 is our fourth term. Okay, next. So, let's have a sub 5. To find the a sub 5 or the fifth term, we substitute 5. Okay, so we use the formula or we use the rule a sub n equals n plus 5. Substitute 5. So we have a sub 5 equals n plus 5. Then papalitan natin yung n ng 5. So it becomes a sub 5 equals 5 plus 5. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. Then we have a sub 5 equals 10. 10 is the fifth term. Therefore, the first 5 terms of the given rule is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.